Here's where you can go to clear what your Samsung Android phone has learned ever since you started using it. Okay, so this here is an S22 Ultra with Android 13, also available on Android 12. Let's do it. To find this setting here, you can use the quick panel access and go into the main settings by tapping right here. And of course, once you're here, you'll want to use the search option here and type in the words Android, not Andrew, okay, Android, and then system intelligence, okay? Or if you start with intelligence, either way, it's going to show up. And once you see the suggestion here, you can go ahead and tap on it, and it's going to show you where to go next, all right? So go ahead and tap on it here, and it's going to give you an explanation of what it learns and all that stuff here. And if you want to clear that out, you'll go down to where it says clear data. As you tap on that, you'll notice it gives you the option to clear out just the last hour, last 24 hours, or all of it. So if you want to be on a safe side, go with all time. If you've been on something recently that your phone might have saved and you want to clear it out for the last hour, go with last hour, or for the last day or so, go with that there. And when you go with clear data, just remember that it's not reversible. So once you've erased that, it's gonna be gone, and that's that, okay? So like, sub, thanks for watching.